Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna die. Ah. This is my poop bucket. I leave my poops in here. Hey everybody, how's it going? Jessica Giovanni here, and I have a review for you. I got some more stuff from Amazon, so I'm excited. I'm gonna light my hair on fire. I'm so excited. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. My hair actually looks healthy. I'm just super annoyed because I'm gonna have to do my roots here soon, and I'm like, my hair's been so healthy. No, I have to ruin it again. But you know, just I'm gonna do a whole video on how to bleach your hair. But yeah, my hair is super stubborn, so I have to do some weird stuff for it to actually do what I want it to do. But anyways, I kind of have another unboxing. I already unboxed it because I was impatient, so sorry. I got these little candle things, what they look like. They're going to be used for my decoration for my table. They came out very well packaged. They're like individually inside of a box that came inside of a box. So, very well packaged. And I'm just going to light one of these really quick so I can give you guys a good look of it. It's really, really pretty. And it, well, let me try to hold it away from let me block out the light here. But anyways, it's really, really pretty. I'll have like this whole table set up here so I can show you what everything looks like, but it's so pretty. I love how they kind of goes through the, I could have done that. I could have just put it closer to y'all. Let's see again. But yeah, it has like these little holes in it that the light, there you go, the light shines through. It's really, really pretty. But yeah, so excited. That was thing one, and the whole box, I want to say it was like $8.99 for 12 of them. So pretty impressed. Very good quality. The thing, it doesn't really get that hot, which is awesome. And I have one more other exciting thing. Da 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 da! I have this huge bucket. It's crazy. It is a planter, so I'm gonna line it with like a plastic bag or something, and then I'm gonna put ice in there and put like wine bottles, like, you know, white wine, champagne, and I have it on my little table and have it all rustic-y. I was thinking about putting like a little garland at the front with like roses, like white roses and white roses and like eucalyptus and stuff, and I thought it'd be really, really cool. So I'm so excited. Oh my god. It's like 5 a.m. and I haven't gone to sleep, so I apologize for my face. My hair is so healthy. Look at it. I love it. Okay, I'm sorry. What am I doing? Oh, ending the video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel thing. And I think I'm going to commit to doing 1 day a week. And if I do extra, then I do extra. But I'm going to try my best to stick to a day. So I might do Saturdays. Sounds good, Jessica. Let's do that. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by. The day is coming. The day is coming. I look like Iron Man, except there's nothing there. Not a glowing power core. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe. I don't have any friends. It's really sad. But anyways, but no, thank you. Thank you to the people that actually do like these videos and bear through them, because some of them tend to be pretty freaking long. So thank you. I do to those 3 friends. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week and a good weekend. And I love your faces. Goodbye. Don't look at me. Bye. Why am I doing this? Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. Oh! Oh my god, I'm gonna fall. Oh my god. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna die. Ah! No! This is my poop bucket. I leave my poops in here. Oh god. No! Alright.